Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is Typli AI today, the topic of our video, and we are going to be simply discussing a step-by-step in detail process on how to use it. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get exclusive benefits, and more on, you can get extended free trails, which is an offer that you should not be missing. Alright, Typli, guys. So all of we love to write content and we want to boost up our productivity and level up the game. So for that particular purpose, we have Typli, which is an AI powered writer for you. So if you simply type in here your anything that you like to enhance, like for example any topic, let me paste in, wait a minute. So I'm going to be putting some paragraph in here, so you can see I've currently added that, and here once you enter your text you need to simply select it, like for example you do this and click on ask AI, and here we have a couple of options, like for example improve writing, fix grammar, make shorter or make longer. So all of these different features are available according to your demands, and you can even ask AI to generate more of the content that you like. Very simple and very handy. I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to head over to the link in the description to get some exclusive benefits and extended free trails. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.